what is our today's motto is? Our today's motto is how to import the data, import and export of data into a database. So first of all, we'll see the import, how we will do. Before to that, we will see what type of data we are going to import. The data we are going to import is cities.csv, or what we can do is, what we can select is products.csv. But this is also comma separated value. We will open the products one. So do we have the product? Product is like very less data we have. We don't want to take product. We'll go with cities only. We'll modify the city with the name, with our new name. What is that? Bengaluru. Okay. So do we have all this data? Okay. Let us consider we have added this data and we have modified the sheet. So Bengaluru should come as the first row. So now what we are going to do is, we'll create, first of all we need to create a table structure. So we have already a table structure. So we'll take this and we'll say city new. City new is there, no? So rather than a city new, we'll say cities final. I'll say city final. Cities import, I'll say cities import. So now we will run this. Yes, the table will be created. So we need to refresh the tables. Let's say refresh. Yes, now it has become a new table. So now in this new table, right click on the table. Now we need to import, select import or export. So export we need to select, and we need to select our file name, that is a CSV, cities.csv. Yes, and we need to select the UTF-8 encoding format. Yes, and we need to select no header. Okay, and we all know the delimiter is comma. Okay, and once that is done, now we are ready to import the data. So now we'll say okay, yeah, import job created, started, and successfully completed. Successfully, how many seconds? In 1.78 seconds. So now what we will do, we will view the data. Okay, so now once we view the data, yes, Bengaluru, whatever we have modified, that particular has been inserted here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now from in this way we will import the data from a comma separated value to CSV to database. Okay.